see you again in Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, Indonesia. Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, or SUTA, formerly legally called Jakarta Cengkareng Airport, named after the first president and vice president of Indonesia, Sukarno and Muhammad Hatta. The airport served 66.9 million passengers in 2018. Ranked as 18th busiest airport in the world and the busiest in Southeast Asia. The airport will be able to serve 100 million passengers annually by 2025 after completion of ongoing development work. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers!